Welcome to the fascinating world of programming languages. Let's dive into the difference between high-level and low-level languages. High-level languages like Python and Java are designed to be easy for humans to read and write. They abstract away the complex details of the hardware, allowing you to focus on problem solving rather than machine code. On the other hand, low-level languages such as assembly or C provide a closer interaction with the hardware, giving you more control and efficiency, but requiring a deeper understanding of the computer's architecture. While high-level languages speed up development and enhance productivity, low-level languages can optimize performance for critical applications. Each has its own set of challenges. Debugging in low-level can be a nightmare, while high-level languages might hide important details. What challenges do you face while coding? Share your experiences in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.